So I'm going to take you guys outside and show you my new garden. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Chef Nicole Boyd and I am an urban gardener, but I also love cooking and traveling. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get outside. So this is where all my food is growing. And it is beautiful, guys. I am so proud of them. So over here we have tomatoes. We have San Marzano tomatoes, and they are so beautiful. We have tomatillos, which are small. They look like tomatoes, but they're not. And they are made with a lot of Mexican dishes. Use them. They're so good. And then over here we have more tomatoes. And as we go on, you will see a lot of tomatoes. I put herbs in between my tomatoes because they're complementary plants. And they just work. I have my Swiss chard, which looks like it's been, been eaten, but I've been picking this and I cannot wait to do a full harvest video. More will come soon. And this plant, we thought it was gonna die, but it is here and she's thriving. She's growing buds. In this little pot over here, we have herbs. So I have a variety of herbs, from fennel to dill to sage, all in one pot. We have mini scarlet carrots in this pot. Over here we have peppers. And a lot of these plants I bought as seedlings at Home Depot to grow. So you'll see a lot of that. In this one, there are a lot of more herbs. I love herbs. You gotta season your food. And as I was just showing, we had some oregano, another tomato plant, a beefsteak tomato plant. We have cherry tomatoes over here. And in between each plant, I planted an herb. And now over here we have cauliflower. This is my first year growing cauliflower. I bought these as seedlings because cauliflower is a little bit harder to start without a greenhouse. I have peppers, of course. Love me some pepper plants. And then over here, purple Bok Choy. It is so beautiful and she is thriving. I remember when she was a fourth this size when I got her, and now she is just doing it up. And then there's one behind her, as well as some radishes, which is a complementary plant to bok choy. Some more cauliflower and peppers. And in between each of those, I also planted one seed. Now on the other side, I made a makeshift stand for my bean plants. So when they start getting nice and tall, they have something to hang on to. And that's what that is. I used this last year. So those are all the plants on this side. Tomatoes, bok choy, cauliflower, peppers, and some herbs, or herbs, however you pronounce it. And then over here in our beds, we have watermelon and cantaloupe. My first time growing these. Now I can only keep a few seedlings in here, but I'm going to wait until they get big enough so I can remove some of them. On the opposite side, we have cucumber. I love cucumber juice. I love cucumbers. And last year we had a beautiful harvest. And I have this little lattice in between this for the cucumbers, so when they start growing, they have something to support them as well. And then on the opposite side, in between, we have our, I guess, salad bed, because we have so many different greens in here. You guys, there's so much, and it is so beautiful. So these are microgreens. You can actually consume these small if you're interested in microgreens. So we have kale, we have spinach, we have arugula, we have 3 different kinds of kale growing in this bed, and mixed lettuce, and it is so gorgeous. And that is what's over in this corner. Our melons, our cucumber, my compost bin, and my salad bed. Right here we have an Asian eggplant, which I bought as a seedling. My sage, which is just, she doing her thing. And then we have a few other things that have not started growing yet. We have broccoli growing in. We have some rosemary. We have some more bok choy, green bok choy, which is going to thrive. They always do really well. And then chamomile and a few other things. My flowers, some burdock root in that pot, some flowers behind that, some mint, and we have sunflowers. So I'm going to grow sunflowers for the first time. And I'm so excited because I got sunflower seeds from my sunflowers. Over here, this was a squash. I thought she was dying, as with the other plants, but she is thriving. Look at how healthy she is. She's strong. She's bursting out shoots. This is one I started early in February, and I thought it was going to die, but she is thriving. And that row in the front and back are all tomatoes. Guys, I'm going to be making tomato sauce like crazy. And then here's lettuce. We have some more veggies growing up. All these little guys just thriving. And I'm so excited to see my beds doing their thing. And I love this. So we made this makeshift stand so the tomatoes can actually go vertically instead of all over the place. So it gives us more space to grow more of everything else. The lettuce look great. These are butter lettuce. And then we have a little bit of everything else just popping up. And my baby, my roseberry bush, she came back strong this year. And roseberries, as well as other berry bushes, are perennials. So they come back every year. I'm growing wheatgrass for the first time because I want to do some wheatgrass shots. That's it up close. She is beautiful. She is green. She grew in about a week. And the raspberries are actually sprouting. So I'll be getting a lot of raspberries this year. We have some more sunflowers. We have a tomato plant again. Yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of tomato sauce, just saying. We have strawberries. I bought these seedlings online and I cannot wait to see if they actually do what they're supposed to do. They look healthy to me. And we have blackberry bush. We have our grapevine. We have two blueberry bushes this year. And this bush is coming back this year, so this is the one from last year. She looks beautiful already. We have some Russian sage, which I use in teas. It is such a beautiful plant once it starts harvesting. And yeah, we have pineapple, so this took a long time to start growing. An edible plant, when I find out the name, I will insert it so you know what I'm talking about. Um, and then all these beautiful flowers. Like there is Black Beauty over there, some microgreens. I also have some burro. Um, there's just a lot, and I am so excited. Like so excited for everything, and I'm just grateful. So this is the full view of the whole garden. I have two walking paths. I'm growing mushrooms. I'm growing a lot, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to watch more of my gardening videos over here.